Hi, welcome to Waggle Friends English. Today we are going to do an accompaniment to the confession and apologizing phrasal verbs lesson we did earlier this week. If you want to see that one, you can find it in the link up in the top or in the description.
Today we're going to have a natural English conversation, largely using intermediate English, using some of the phrasal verbs that we were talked about last week, and the goal is not to hit every single phrasal verb. We've done a couple of these listening videos. The point of this video is to be able to call these phrasal verbs out when we see them. We'll have them on the screen when we say them, and for you to see how they play out in a natural conversation. So we're going to use a few different scenarios, and of course we're just kind of acting, but as we go, each different scenario is going to kind of get more and more serious so that you can kind of see the paralanguage that we talked about before.
Yeah, so here we go.
What are you working on?
I'm just typing up a report that I need to do from our last lesson I just taught. I'm about done with that here. Dude!
I'm so sorry.
You just spilled water on my keyboard. This is new.
I know, I messed up. I didn't mean to.
I mean, yeah, but...
It's waterproof, right?
No.
Oh, I don't know what we're gonna do. Is there something I can do?
I mean, you can apologize.
I'm really sorry. I shouldn't have put the water there. I screwed up.
That's okay. Thank you for apologizing. But you're definitely buying me a new keyboard.
I heard the other day that you have a black belt in martial arts. Is that true?
It is, yeah.
What? Isn't there like multiple degrees? Is that the word? Degrees for a black belt?
Yeah, and well, the one that I did was Dan's, but we called it degrees also.
Oh, so which one are you?
I'm like a 4th degree black belt.
A 4th degree?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, I worked really hard. I did it for like 8 years.
Sharon said that you were a 2nd degree black belt.
Yeah.
Were you being honest?
No, sometimes I feel like pressured when I don't want to make them feel wrong, but yeah, no, it was wrong of me to lie right then. I'm sorry.
Why'd you do it?
Because I felt like I really wanted to impress you.
Oh. But
because you were so happy about my degree, but then, yeah.
Well, thank you for owning up to it. I know that's embarrassing sometimes.
Yeah.
But thank you for owning up.
Thank you. Hey.
Did you get all the groceries?
I did.
Awesome.
How were the kids?
They were good. Yeah, no complaints.
Really?
Yeah.
A 3-year-old and a 1-year-old did just fine the whole time.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't hear anything. They seemed like...
I was gone for 2 hours.
Yeah, they were fine. I think. Yeah, sure.
What were you doing?
What do you mean?
What were you doing? Like, their bedroom is on fire.
What? Oh.
I had to put that out and you didn't come over there, so I figured,
Well, I had my headphones on.
Doing what?
Okay, I'm just gonna have to be honest. Every time you go to go get groceries, I play video games. I didn't think you were gonna be that long, but I guess time ran away from me.
Yeah. Was it worth it?
No, it wasn't worth it. I'm really sorry for lying to you. Will you forgive me?
I'll forgive you. Thank you for owning up for it. But that's your mess.
Yeah.
Thank you for fessing up, and please don't do it again.
No, I won't. I'll make it right. I'll fix the room.
We should probably put that out.
Probably. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, you're, what's your name again? I'm so sorry. I've totally forgotten your name.
I'm your neighbor. Like, moved in last month. We say hi every day. Do you happen to...
No, it's gone.
Amber.
Sally? Oh.
It's not even close.
No, it's not. Sorry, Amber. I'm really sorry I mixed it up. Sorry, you remind me of another person. You look almost exactly like her. Her name's Sally, but I'll get it right next time.
Okay.
I'll make up for it, I promise.
Thank you, Josh.
All right. I guess I'll see you later.
Yeah.
All right. Bye,
See ya.
Sally. Amber. Okay, so that was something.
It was something, all right.
So
Really
again,
confusing.
guys, the purpose of this video is not to use every phrasal verb that we talked about last week or earlier this week. It's to give you guys some sort of acting of some sort of conversation that apologies can actually happen. And of course, they're maybe a little bit over the top. But the idea is that you guys listening can not only see the phrasal verbs, but also see them in practice, see them with paralanguage, because there are certain times where you will actually mess up, whether it's a cultural thing or a language thing, and you need to know how to do that too.
So thanks for watching, guys. And if you found this helpful, let us know.
And in the comments below, maybe you can say some time that you did something maybe slightly embarrassing and how you made it right. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Bye. I mean, you can apologize.
My condolences for your keyboard. Every time you go to go get groceries, I play video games. I didn't think...
Was it worth it?
Not now. Not because their bedroom's on fire. What's your name again?
I'm your wife.
Wife who? You remind me of a different Sally, which is why I switched it. But
my name's still
Amber.